Okie dokie, friends. I know some questions like this have given you some issues on Khan Academy, so I wanted to create a quick video to see if I can help you out, because the question's really not as scary as we think it is. You're going to be like, oh, that was way easier. So I want to find the area of the blue shape. So my first ask of you is, what is the area of that? So the rectangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the rectangle is 6 by 6, so the area of that is 36. So that's the total area. Now what we need to do is we need to subtract out pieces. So let's take this green triangle that I'm making. So that's 6 by 2, 6 by 2. So the area of that green triangle is 6 times 2 divided by 2, which is just 6. And then let's do a yellow triangle. So this yellow triangle is 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4. Yellow, 3 by 4. So that's also 6. And then last but certainly not least is this triangle, which is 6 by 3. So that's black. 6 times 3 divided by 2, which is 18 divided by 2, which is 9. So that means that the blue is going to be 36 minus 6 minus 6 minus 9. So 36 minus 12 is 24, minus 9 more is 15 would be my answer for the triangle. There are certainly other ways to process that question, but I found that to be one of the most approachable ways. And let's look at this one. So we're going to do the same basic steps. I'm going to outline this in a big rectangle. And let's do it. So the rectangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 35. And now let's make some pieces. So we've got this black triangle, which is 2 by 4, which is 2 by 4 divided by 2, because the area of a triangle, base times height divided by 2. I can make this green triangle, which is 3 by 1. So that's 3 times 1 divided by 2, which is, well, you'll call 1.5. I would write as 3/2, but you guys like those decimals often. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 1. So yellow is 6 by 1 divided by 2, which is 3. And then last and certainly not least is, I don't want to use that color, so let me choose a different color. I'll go with purple. This purple triangle is 3 by 4. So purple is 3 times 4 divided by 2, which is 6. Now that makes this shape inside 35 minus, I'll do the same way I did last time, 4 minus 1.5 minus 3 minus 6. So 4 and 6 make 10, and 3 more is 13, so 14. So that's 21, and then a half more, so 20.5 would be the area of my blue shape. Okay, so I hope that helps. If not, let me know, and I can certainly try to do something a little different.